This 2019 Holiday Rambler Navigator 37R is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Holiday Rambler is 38 feet 8 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 8, Colorado Detector, air conditioning, TV, Skylight, leveling jacks, stove top burner, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, DVD player, LP detector, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen. This 2019 Holiday Rambler Navigator 37R is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.